Imagine your entire future being jeopardized by a single online article. Arrest articles can haunt you forever. An arrest article details an individual's arrest, including their name, photo, and charges, often published by news outlets or police websites. These articles aim to inform the public about criminal activity, but they can severely damage the personal and professional lives of those involved. When someone searches your name online, arrest articles can appear on the first page of Google search results, affecting your reputation. Potential employers, romantic partners, and even friends and family may stumble upon these articles, leading to uncomfortable conversations and judgments. Arrest articles can spread quickly across social media and other websites, gaining traction and becoming more visible over time. To protect your reputation, it's crucial to bury these articles by creating high-quality, relevant content that ranks higher in search results. Politely request the removal of negative content from websites, and consider using press releases to generate positive news about yourself. If necessary, hire professional online reputation management firms to use suppression tactics and link building techniques to push down unwanted links. With consistent effort and patience, you can take control of your online presence and protect your reputation from past mistakes.